Make sure to watch this whole entire video if you want to learn how to get approved for any apartment and any luxury car with the CPN. One of the biggest problems that some of my clients have had before in the past is that they have built CPNs, they've gotten their CPNs into public records, gotten Credit Karma, but they cannot get their trade lines on there. And once they do get trade lines and they do get it scored, they don't know what to do with it. So this is why I'm making this video. I'm literally gonna be putting y'all niggas on the game, bro. Literally the whole sauce. I ain't leaving nothing back. The first thing you want to do with your CPN is once you make your number and you get all your information, you want to do one hard inquiry pool. So you want to do a credit card application for Chase. Do a Chase Freedom or any of them Chase credit cards. Do an application for them. Chase pulls from all 3 credit bureaus, so they're gonna give you that tri-merge. Once you tri-merge, you want to go apply for like 20 pre-qualification applications that do not do a hard pull. So make sure all of them say self-inquiry, no impact to your credit score, blah blah blah. Those will get the information that you have, like your employer, shit like that, into the database. Now a couple websites are My Auto Loan, Secure MDG, Cons Home Plus, Wayfair. Do places like that ask for your employer information, shit like that. Now the next step you want to do is do opt-in pre-screen, list yourself, and SageStream. These are the 3 like bureaus, I guess, of reporting information. So this is where motherfuckers will go pull your information and see, oh, is this you? And link your email address, link your email address, your phone number, all that information together, and make sure it's one solid profile. So once you do that, then you want to do public records. Public records is very important. If you need public records, I have a PR bot. Message me on Telegram and I'll get it done for you. But some of y'all just now starting, you can just type your own information into all these applications. So like Best Buy, Outback Steakhouse, all the food rewards, all the rewards that you can possibly think of, like clothing, Target, Nike, all that shit. Go apply for all them websites and continue to build more information. So think about CPN as a regular person, right? When you're like 5, 10, 15 years old, within those years, you're on your phone, bro. You applying for shit, you adding your name to here, there, right? You gonna make an account with Hollister, shit, Montclair, Louis Vuitton. You gonna end up making accounts with those websites if you shopping there, right? Walmart, Target. You shop there, you gonna make an account with them eventually, possibly, you feel me? So what you need to do is do that for your CPN. Go add public records. If you don't want to do it yourself, which I do not recommend, I don't recommend you to sit there and spend 5 days typing in applications. That shit boring as fuck. Spend a little $25, $50, $100 to get thousands of PRs. Boom. Wait about 30 days after your PRs are rolling in. Then you can go apply for bank accounts with no credit score. You, at this point, if you don't have no trade lines on there, this is just the foundation of your CPN. It's public records and a tri-merge with a solid CPN number. That's the foundation. If you don't have that shit right, there's no point in going any further, because you're not gonna get approved for shit. Because if you go apply for something and they can't find your name and your email in the database, you getting denied just because they can't find it. I always recommend to get minimum 1,000 PRs, but do not be cheap, bro. I always go for 1,000 or more PRs and continue to motherfucking put them bitches on there as much as I can. Let the PR sit for 30 days and then I start adding my trade lines. So the trade lines I like to add are Credit Rent Boost, Boom Pay, or Rental Karma. Rental Karma hasn't really been working for me that much recently, so I just been on Credit Rent Boost and Payment Report as well. That one's another good one. Those are rental applications that's going to help you get approved for apartments and housing. Now, if you do want to start Airbnb, that's all you need to start an Airbnb company is that 1-2 year trade line. So the 2-year trade line would be like Boom Pay reporting for 2 years, or Payment Report reporting for up to 10 years as rental history. So once you have that one trade line, you can go apply for Wayfair, Cons Home Plus, Big Lots. You can go apply for those 3 places. You can get approved for up to $25,000 worth of furniture. Then you can go furnish your apartments and list them on Airbnb. That simple, bro. I'm telling you, it's literally that simple. If you want to get approved for cars, you need to add more trade lines. So the first thing you want to do is add that payment report. So 2 years of a primary reporting to your credit is the best thing you can have. Then you want to go add authorized users. I do not add any more than 3 authorized users because it's really no point. they know that it's an authorized user, all it does is really add age, history, and show them that you are somewhat responsible for credit, even if you don't even have access to their credit card. With those 4 trade lines alone, you should be able to get approved for any car under $65,000 with your CPN. Here are some things you don't want to do when you're applying for a car with your CPN. Number 1, don't use fake names, fake all that shit. Bro, them niggas know, bro. These niggas is not slow. Don't use a fake name, social, and fake date of birth on your shit with a fake face. Bro, please don't be stupid, bro. A CPN should be in your name if you plan on doing it that way. If you plan on using the CPN in somebody else's name, that's cool too, but I don't recommend walking into a dealership and applying. Do that shit online, bruh. Let them approve you online and ship that shit to a crib. Do it that way. You don't even have to have your face nowhere around that shit if you really want to do shit like that. Get the car, sell it on Facebook, VIN swap it, do whatever the fuck you gotta do. Get a little 20K, burn the CPN, reinvest it to make a new one. But I'm not recommending nobody to do shit. That's just information that is out here in the world. You feel me? Or you can go get a car, get a mechanic's lien on that bitch, let that motherfucker sit. Boom, the mechanic gonna end up owning the car, and then you can sell it that way too. But you gotta find somebody who you trust, and trust is hard to find out here. Somebody out there will do it. Just gotta find them, no cap. That's pretty much all I have for this video. If you want to learn more or you need help with your CPN, you can message me on Telegram and I'll get you right.